What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the lab. For this video, I'm back at home in the Bay Area, and I'm going to be going over my 7 tips for cinematic video with the new Zhiyun Q4. It comes with a sleek case where you can store external lenses. It also comes with a tripod that I forgot back home in New York. So for this video, I don't have a tripod. Throughout this video, you're going to see footage shot on the iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max. But I also tried pairing it with the new Sony Xperia 1.4 and it balances pretty well. To begin, there's 4 clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you could also extend it. To use it, you just need to pop these 2 things out. You can see the little camera next to the logo, and that's where the top is. It's that simple. I made the mistake of forgetting to charge the device before filming this, so luckily I brought an external charger and I plugged it in for about 5 minutes and was able to use it. Now that we're all set up, let's get into the tips. First one is shooting horizontal. In order for us to consider this cinema, we have to shoot in the 16:9 aspect ratio. To flip it to horizontal mode, all you need to do is triple tap the back button, like so. The next tip is filming at a low angle. This allows you to get a different perspective. All you need to do is put the gimbal in underslung mode and follow your subject. This third tip is the follow shot, and it's one of my favorite shots to get. You can do this with almost any subject, and depending on your composition, it really looks well, especially when you slow it down. If you want to segue in between scenes, I like using in-camera transitions. You could go from left to right, right to left, up and down and up, into black, into white. It's all really up to you. The tracking shot is very similar to the follow shot that I showed you guys earlier. In this case, we're going to be going to the left, and I'm going to shoot wide for the first shot, and then the second shot I'm going to punch in and use the telephoto. Everything always looks a little more cinematic in slow motion. This was filmed at 4K in 60 frames, and this is at 100%. But when you slow it down to 40%, it looks a little something like this. The last tip is to film scenes. So what I mean by this is 10 to 15 solid shots at any location, and you want to shoot wide shots, medium shots, close-ups. Mix it up and get creative with it. After dinner, we made our way over to Christiefield Beach to enjoy the sunset. And that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed these 7 tips. Shout out to David for helping me film. Shout out to Carl for helping me model. And shout out to you guys for watching until the very end. It's been nice being back home in the Bay Area, but I'll see y'all on the next video.